Ngisathanda kuthola umbiko la about uJerry Shabalala, ucoach weMamelodi Sundowns ladies team. And lo mbiko lo uyashaqisa ngempela kuthiwa le coach is in deep waters, yabo, ngezenzo azenzayo kuleya team le yaMamelodi Sundowns ladies team. And zingamenza ashiye ekubeni ucoach waleya team iMamelodi Sundowns ladies team, yabo. Izenzo zakhe ngempela akusisi izenzo ongazenza as ucoach we-team. Kuthiwa he has been placed on special leave and iMamelodi Sundowns yavula investigation, yabo. Leyo investigation izoconductwa ilo firm, yabo, over ama-allegations of ama-improper conduct, yabo, enziwe uyena uJerry Shabalala kubadlali abahlukahlukene kulesa squad sakhe. Kubadlali abahlukahlukene lo coach lo usewine indondo eziningi kakhulu naleya team leya, but indlela enza ngakhona, yabo, kuthiwa khona izinto ezenzakalayo behind the scenes. Bawukhiphile la umbeko kuthiwa according to SABC Sports, Sundowns ladies team head coach uJerry Shabalala goes into changing rooms of the players when they are naked. Kuthiwa ungena kuma changing rooms abadlali be naked, abadlali bamantombazane laba uyabazi amantombazane meyodlala I think they wear bras or I don't know. He has been making sexual remarks to players and female staff, asking them how many times they shave their private parts and how they are able and how they are private. But nje nyawubona lo mbiko iMamelodi Sundowns sathanda ukuskip statement yabo regarding lo coach lo. Kuthiwa ngenze yashare kwi-club uma lama investigations lawa ebuya ngempela eyiqiniso, yabo, and ngenza futhi kupresswa nama charges, yabo, who knows. But emaqinisweni bafethu akusizona izenzo ezinhle lezi, yabo. Mase siba nje neVAR, these are not good news, yabo, esizizwayo ku-institution enkulu kanje, yabo. Le institution le yana kumele ingabe professional, but lezi zinto lezi le indaba lezi asikho professional. Sibe nje neVAR, le indaba azikho professional. Nabadlali bayayidinga ngempela i-counseling because lento le bafethu ngeze futhi ba-affect nase-groundini indlela abadlala khona. Imagine ucoach phela okanje ngamthatha as ubaba. Kahle kahle ucoach mfethu udlala i-father figure ku-team, yabo. Bonke babukela kuyena, bonke bezwa kuyena. Manje yena ucoach mase ezokwenza izinto ezikanje, lezo zinto lezo zingenza i-team ingadlali kahle because abanye abadlali babukela kuyena ucoach, yabo, bezwa kuyena ukuthi izinto zenziwe kanjani e-teamini. Manje ucoach mase ezothi hey nishavile, hayibo,